How to log into YouTube Kids application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into YouTube Kids application on iOS and Android devices. This guide provides step-by-step instructions to set up parental controls and personalize your child's viewing experience. You can do it on iOS and Android both. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. So the first thing that you're going to do is head over to App Store or Google Play Store and download YouTube Kids application. And you'll be asked to, set up your account. And initially, if you are just starting and downloading it for the first time. If you skip that process that time, you have to simply click on sign in here at the bottom right. And once you do so, you're going to click on get started. And here you're going to enter the year that you were born. So this just verifies your age. It is in store. So you're going to type down your year. That is the parent's year. So once you type that down, you're going to click on confirm. And then you will be redirected to another interface. That would look something like this. So you're going to sign it with a parent's account. So you're going to simply click on select the account from here and then click on sign in. Then it will ask you for parental consent. So you're going to give it whole a read and then click on more. Keep on clicking on more until the end of the document is arrived. Click on done after that. And then you're going to confirm your account. So you're going to enter your password over here. Once you do so, you're going to head over, click on confirm. And then you're going to write down the name of the child. And then you're going to type down their age. So simply select their age and then you're going to select their birth month, but that is totally optional. And then you're going to click on next. And then you're going to click on next. And after that, click on next again, click on select. And now you can see that the profile has been created. Simply click on this arrow over here. Keep on clicking on the arrow and then you can simply click on the profile and that's it. That is how you can log into YouTube Kids application. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.